Assalamu alaikum, sir. Welcome to my presentation. I hope you all are well. This is Monir John Shagar, ID 2423320 on my topic understanding harmonics. Introduction to power system harmonics. Harmonics are a mathematical way of describing distortion to a voltage or current waveform. The term harmonics refers to a component of a waveform that occurs at an integer multiple of the key fundamental frequency. Fourier theory tells us that any repetitive waveform can be defined in terms of swimming sinusoidal waveform which are integer multiple of the fundamental frequency. Introduction of power system. Introduction of power system harmonics diagram. Type of harmonics: odd harmonics, even harmonics, simple harmonics. Final thought and observation. Harmonics studios are expensive, time consuming, but on lots of and required lot of measurement. Don't use a harmonics studio to determine the level of distortion in your system, that is by monitoring. The data from monitoring is also used to create an accurate system model. Effect of harmonics: equipment overheating, increasing power losses, required efficiency power factor, malfunction of sensitive device, variation and noise in motors and transformer. Harmonics mitigation techniques: filter, passive active, phase shift transformer, আবার ট্রান্সফরমার আর হচ্ছে হারমোনিক্স toilet equipment, monitoring and analysis tool. Application and real life example: power system, audio engineering, signal processing, effective vacillance. Conclusion: harmonics negatively affect power quality, must be monitored and mitigation. Mitigated harmonics are multiple of a fundamental frequency. Thank you, sir.